Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Reels, blend, feed in Instagram DMs. So the first thing you have to do is launch your Instagram app as it is. So make sure that you are logged into your account and tap onto your chat. Now you can try this blend feature with a group or a single friend. So in order to try this, you have to tap on this blend button here and send invitation to this person. Once this person accepts your invitation, you can simply tap on this emoji icon of blend, and every blend of reels that you see, other person will also see it in the same order. If you would like to comment it, you can go ahead and do so, and this comment, you'll be able to see it right at this message. This person will also see this comment here, and if you would like to start a new blend, you can try a simply send any reels. Like for this one, tap send, and let's go ahead and see the chat. Now you can simply view some videos, and now you are in your blend. It says just like so, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.